Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Lincoln Navigator. The Lincoln Navigator offers over 100 cubic feet of cargo space, 3 rows of seating for up to 8 passengers, and best-in-class legroom. This luxury SUV is powerfully persuasive. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, heads-up display, trip computer, power adjustable pedals, power tilting steering wheel, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, cargo net, compass. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.